Hey you guys, happy Friday. Today is Friday the 6th, I believe, and I'm on my way to be a model for a makeup artist because she is revamping her page and like her business and everything, and she asked if I could be a model. But y'all, I'm trying to find like my tripod so I'm not holding the camera with my hands, and my tripod has my remote and everything, and I cannot find it. And I can't stand like losing things of importance, because it's like then you have to freaking replace it. And the tripod came with the camera, so I don't know how much replacing I can do, but I can't sit here and wait, sit here and keep looking for it, because I do have to go. But hopefully it'll turn up, and hopefully it's not like lost somewhere, because I don't even remember the last time I seen it, to be honest with you. Like, it wasn't long ago, but like usually I'll just look at it laying around somewhere, and I haven't. So but let me get Rufus together. Come on, Stinky Stinks, say hi to the vlog, Stinkies. So Stinky Stinks is going in his crate. I was trying to get him to eat or drink something before me and my mom left, but he didn't listen. So you gotta go in your crate, buddy. Be good boy, mommy love you. All right, you guys, let's go. Y'all, like, I'm just a little worried, because if it's not in the car, and if it's not in my computer room or my room or whatever, like, I just hope that it turns up, because I really do not like replacing stuff that I already had. Like, now we're wasting money. But yeah, hopefully. But I'm gonna be on my way to the Big Guava first, so I can get my detox tea, and then we are headed to get our makeup done and be a model for the makeup artist. So I will see you guys at whatever destination we get to. A video. Okay. Ooh, I can't wait to see the after video. Because that look rough. I can't wait to see the afterwards. I look jail ready.
That's how I felt when Toy was doing my makeup. I was like, oh,
right, like what is
damn, these lights bring out everything.
They brought out the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
And then in all her videos, I'm just like, oh, my skin is so bad.
But looking in this mirror, I'm like, oh, how cute man.
Right.
Such a big camera.
your eyes are